I just want to take this relationship to the next level. And will you be my girlfriend, please?
Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
No.
I'm sorry.
This is Neera.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. What happened?
I'll meet you next time.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
मेरे काम की नहीं ये दुनिया ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं ये दुनिया धड़के दिल बार बार आपके
Anvika, what are you doing? You did not make this presentation in the right manner.
Sorry.
All because of this, the sales have gone down. How are you going to work in this multinational company?
I'll do it, sir. Next time.
You have to keep making excuses and excuses. An excuse.
Later. Eventually.
छोटू नहीं बेटा पापा आगे बताइए
2000 years later.
छोटू की औलाद छोटू को लड़का क्या अरे हेलो तबीयत खराब है बहुत Also, do subscribe to my channel if wonderful, beautiful, everlasting family. Okay, and I will see you on next Thursday. Until then, keep on smiling and hold a beautiful smile on your beautiful people. This is me, Yubika, signing out.